Passwords. As part of our security program, we have added this lesson to help you better understand how to use passwords effectively to block cyber intrusion attempts. Upon completing this lesson, you should be able to identify 3 different cyber attacks that put your password at risk, understand what constitutes a strong password, effectively manage your passwords, and identify how multi-factor authentication keeps your account safer. Passwords are the keys to your account. If an attacker gains access to your password, they are able to log into your account remotely as long as that password remains unchanged. A password's strength is directly correlated to its complexity. The 2 factors that affect password complexity are length and characters. To increase password complexity, use a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. When the password is longer, the possible variations increase exponentially. And when characters are more diverse, it is harder for attackers to crack it. Passwords with only 4 alphanumeric characters have only 1.6 million variations. An automated password cracker can decipher this in less than half a second, whereas a password that is over 8 characters, including uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and special characters, has 3 quadrillion variations. By using a different password for each account, you limit the damage done if one of your passwords is compromised. Many data breaches are made public months after they happen. Changing your passwords every 90 days will help you stay safe. Encrypted password safes and management tools allow you to keep track of your username and password combinations. There are many options available online. Many websites offer to remember your password. This allows your authenticated session to be saved to a service when you're not actively using it. We recommend that you never use this option. Be sure to click the Log Out button on the service when you're done using it. Many websites and services now offer multi-factor authentication, or MFA, to add an extra layer of security to your account. MFA requires verification of your identity using a second device, like a cell phone or tablet. The server might send you a single-use code or require you to scan a QR code. We recommend enabling multi-factor authentication wherever available. This lengthens the login process by a few seconds, but makes it more difficult for a remote attacker to access your accounts. A brute force attack feeds thousands of possible password variations to a server in the hopes that one matches your password. These attacks can take minutes or years to crack your password, depending on your password strength. Solution: make your passwords an appropriate length and use all 4 character types discussed earlier. If an organization is attacked, your user account details may fall into the hands of attackers through no fault of your own. Organizations are required to disclose data breaches publicly, but these notifications can often take months to come to light. Solution: change your passwords on a periodic basis.